Hanshika of class 11th.
I am Riya of class 11th. So Hanshika, what are you going to show today?
Today, we are taking at the time before India attained independence. It was year 1906 when a boy took birth in village Bhabra, nestled in the heart of Madhya Pradesh, in family of Sitaram Tiwari and Jagrani Devi.
The year was 1921 and the air was charged with the spirit of rebellion. A young boy, barely 15 years old, joined the protest against the oppressive British rule. As he raised the slogans for freedom, the British force arrested him, deeming him a troublemaker. Despite his young age, Chandrasekhar Azad's sacrifice ignited the fire of freedom across the nation. He was not just a revolutionary, but a symbol of undying courage. Let us pledge to uphold the values he fought for: freedom, equality, and justice. Now, let's see the act, I Am Azad.
Freedom! Freedom! Jindabad! Jindabad!
Stop you Indians! Teach them a lesson!
Freedom!
चुप हो जा।
Freedom! 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 Freedom!
Come with me!
Freedom! 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 Freedom!
If your blood does not break, it is water that flows in your veins. That is Azad's passion and revolutionary spirit.
While he was studying in Kashi Vidyapith at Banaras, he was involved in a protest against British Raj and was caught by the Britisher and taken to the court. In the British court, they tried to intimidate him, but his response shocked everyone. The court fell silent as this fearless young boy stared back at his oppressors. This was the moment Chandrasekhar Azad was born, a name that would inspire generation to fight for freedom. He was accused of participating in a protest against the British Raj as an act of defiance that the empire could not tolerate. The judge looked at him, expecting fear in a young rebel's eyes, but what he saw was a fire of patriotism and defiance. He also told that, I believe in a religion that propagates freedom, liberty, and equality.
Start the case.
The case begins.
My lord, this young Indian boy had thrown a stone on a British. This is a crime.
What's your name?
Azad!
Oh, Azad. What's your father's name?
Swatantrata!
Swatantrata means freedom. What's your mother's name?
Kranti!
Oh, Kranti. And where do you live?
Jail Khana!
Jail Khana means prison.
My lord, see how arrogant this boy is, how he speaks. He doesn't have any fear in his eyes and face. He doesn't accept his crime in front of you. My lord, I request you to give him rigid punishment so he never raises his head in front of us.
Hey boy, if you say sorry for your behavior, I will relieve you. You say sorry.
No!
Okay, then I pronounce 15 lashes of flogging.
judge announced the punishment of 15 lashes for the audacious young boy who dared to defy the empire. Chandrasekhar stood firm, his eyes blazing with determination.
Ready for 15 whips?
Yes. Vande Matram. We want freedom. Vande Matram. We want freedom.
How much dare this boy has. Indeed, a lot of courage, fortitude and endurance is there. You go. Your punishment is over. You can go now.
News of Chandrasekhar Azad's fearless stand against British had spread like a wildfire to the people of his village. He was no longer just a boy they had knew. He was now a symbol of courage and patriotism. The village gathered to honor the brave son, their hearts swelling with pride.
From today onwards, you will be called Azad.
Hello.
The people cheered louder. Their faith in Azad was unshakable. They knew they were witnessing a rise of fadder who would leave mark in the pages of history. The air was filled with determination and tensions as three of India's greatest revolutionaries, Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh and Sukhdev gathered to discuss the path to freedom. The non-cooperation movement led by Gandhiji had sparked a fire in the hearts of the people, but its sudden withdrawal had left many disillusioned. Azad, with its fiery revolt, cautioned the discussion so halt the movement. Bhagat Singh and Sukhdev are equally passionate debated the next step. The three young revolutionaries shared a common dream: to free India from the shackles of British oppression, even if it meant taking bold and dangerous actions.
Vande Mataram Azad.
Vande Mataram Bhagat Singh, Rajguru Sukhdev.
Have you heard? Gandhiji has taken non-cooperation movement back and these Britishers have imprisoned him.
These British will not leave India by non-violence. They understand the language of violence.
Yes.
Azad, you know that your mother and father are in need of money. The money which we have looted from Kakori. Why you are not sending to them?
No, Rajguru. The money is of my motherland. I can't give to anyone. You do one thing. Take these bullets and kill them.
No, Azad, what are you saying?
I think someone is knocking at the door. Amma Bauji. Azad, see who have came.
Ma Bauji.
Pranam.
May you live long. May you live long.
Ma Bauji. Pranam.
May you live long.
Azad, you have devoted to yourself in such a manner that you forgot your parents.
Do you know, Azad? We do not have food to eat from last 3 days.
We thought as soon as our Azad will get the message, he will come to us by running, but
After waiting a lot, we came only.
Forgive me, mother. Forgive me, father. But my motherland is also calling me. I have to make free first. Bhagat Singh Rajguru, take Amma Bauji safely home.
But Azad, you?
I will come. I will come. Amma ji, Bauji, please forgive me. I am helpless.
Date 27 February 1931. Place Alfred Park.
Give me that
The
gun.
CID head of police at Allahabad, JRH Maud Bawar, was stripped off by Veer Bhadra Tiwari. That Azad was at Alfred Park on receiving it. Bawar called in Allahabad police to accompany him to the park to arrest him. The police arrived to the park and surrounded it from all sides. Some constables, along with DSP Thakur Vishweshwar, entered the park with rifles and shootout begins.
The final confrontation took place on February 27, 1931 in Alfred Park, Allahabad. Chandrasekhar, surrounded by the British police, fought valiantly, but he was vastly outnumbered. As the police closed in, Chandrasekhar shot himself rather than being captured and face certain execution.
Azad sacrifice has become legendary in India's struggle for independence, as some constables along with DSP Thakur Vishweshwar entered the park armed with rifles and the shootout begins. The CID head of police at Allahabad, JRH Maud Bawar, was stripped off by Veer Bhadra Tiwari. That Azad was at Alfred Park on receiving it. Bawar called on Allahabad police to accompany him to park to arrest him.
Panditji, allow me to go. I have to receive my sister at station.
Veerbhadra, be alert. Situation is not
Panditji, police is searching you everywhere. Now you are having money also. Why are you not going to Russia?
No, Sukhdev Raj. This is not only a country, it's my motherland. And I will fight for her freedom till my death. You take this money and give to Rajguru's mother. She requires urgently. Sukhdev Rajan!
No, I'll not run.
Sukhdev Rajan! You have to be safe for our motherland. Go! Go, Sukhdev Raj! Forgive me. I could offer this much service only. Vande Mataram.
Azad sacrifice has become legendary in India's struggle for independence, and Alfred Park was later renamed as Chandrasekhar Azad Park in his honor. Indomitable, Chandrasekhar Azad sacrificed his life for motherland on 27 February 1931 at Alfred Park, which is now famously known as Azad Park in Prayagraj.
Thank you. Jai Hind.